Hey everyone, I'm here with a small Amazon haul. I actually received these on Saturday and these on it's either Sunday or Monday, I can't remember. They were supposed to get here Saturday too, but I think they came Sunday and it was pouring down rain and the package was out on my step and we didn't know it was there. Luckily, it was in plastic. So, yeah. Anyway, I didn't get much, but I am in need of some sharp scissors. I'm going to keep one for fabric, hopefully. It says they can be left or right-handed, stay sharper longer, 3 times harder than steel, titanium bonded. These are Westcott 2-pack. Now, they had some other brands that were 3-pack, but these were rated highly. So, contoured soft grip handles, corrosion resistant, adjustable pivot, individually hand tested, lifetime warranty. Huh. Ultra durable blade, stay sharp longer, comfort and control, longer blade life. They just said that. Set blade tension for optimal performance. Performance and quality assured. Commitment to quality since 1872. And it has the period stated on the package. Lifetime warranty. So, you know, how many of you save the packaging though to remember that? I don't. Let's just cut something. What should we cut? I know they're going to cut. Let's see. That has sticky on it. I don't really want to cut the sticky part. Okay, so those are my paper ones. And these will be my fabric, so I'm going to have to put a little piece of twine or something on them. So anyway, I got those because they're the same color, you know, and I'm right-handed. Don't hold it against me to you lefties out there. They're not as pretty as some of them, but they're fine. If you have big fingers, though, you might want to consider a different pair because I think these might be uncomfortable for you if you have big hands. All right, so these are my paper ones. These are fabric. I'm going to keep them separate. Okay. Now, I have been wanting a silicone brush. I wanted one for painting on wood for jewelry. But I also thought, wouldn't these be good for using with texture paste and stuff? Because they don't have little bristles. So mixing texture paste with color and spreading it evenly on stencils, I thought these would be great. And these are meant to be, this particular one, cut, C-U-T-T-T-E. I thought it was cutie. Anyway, they're meant to be for applying masks on your face, which I've never done it that way. I just always use my fingers. But anyway, yeah, mask brush. So pack of 4. I don't have the prices here with me. And then this one I got for different sizes because when you're painting, and they what was the place? Vintage maybe has the new paints for wood, and they're the ones that recommended a silicone brush for painting on the wood. I couldn't find any in any of the craft stores at the time. This was like a year ago. But now I have them, and look, there's a tiny little one to get in different places. And then these look like eye makeup sponges, but I won't use them for that. And then 2, like a flat one like those other ones, and then a rounded one. And then this one's like a chisel point. It's flat on both sides, but it goes at an angle, an angled point. And then this is another bigger one. Guess that could be for lip gloss or something. I don't know. Anyway, and they're in pretty mint. So those are Lorme 7-piece silicone cosmetic brushes, mint green. It says Etic cosmetic brushes, mint green. Made in China. Most of the stuff is nowadays. Anyway, I got those to use in crafting and jewelry making. So, yeah. And then I have shown you these before because I've had them before and I really like them. I don't know if these are the same brand because I think the set I got before, it's a brush and I use it for stenciling, right? Or, yeah, small area coloring. These are all pink. Let me see if they're the same size. Yes, they are the same size. So, but they're all pink. These shipped from a different place. It was still sold by Amazon, but shipped from Texas somewhere. Made in PRC. What's PRC? PRK would be Republic of Korea. I don't know what PRC is off the top of my head, but AAFB 20 pieces, pink it's a lash bath brush. Bath lash brush in pink. So it's to wash your eyebrows with. Your eyelashes with, excuse me. I guess if you wear fake eyelashes, I never have. So, anyway, I think that's China, People's Republic of China, right? PRC. It's funny that they don't just say China. Anyway, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's People's Republic of China. So that's it. That's my Amazon haul. 2 pair of scissors, some silicone brushes, paper scissors, and also what I do with them, ribbon scissors, which let me get a scrap of ribbon right away because I don't want to, I don't want to use that pretty ribbon. Let's just use, nah, that's too thin. Oh goodness, what do I have extras of? I don't know. Let's just cut a little piece off of here. This is lemon lolly. Actually, it's brand new. I think I used a little bit of it once. Don't need a lot. And I'll put it on, I guess, the thumb one. Just tie it on. For now, I might change it out later into twine or something. I don't know. And I should put that at the top, right? So that's my ribbon pair. And this is my paper pair, which I'm going to put in my little tray. And this one's going to go back here. So, because I don't want them to get dull like these did, because I used them for paper. All right, everyone. Sorry I didn't put that on the other video, but there you go. Small Amazon haul. And I'll talk to you again very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.